Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the VM is powered off and snapshots are consolidated. This prevents metadata conflicts. Once done, make sure your host has enough free space and quit the Virtualbox application. Next, you must identify the virtual disk file, VDI or VMDK, and note the storage controller and disk UUID because the CLI tools require exact identifiers. You do this to avoid corrupting the disk. Precise names let the next command target the correct file. You now run VBox manage from an elevated shell, since file access and locks require administrative rights. Use VBox manage modify MDM disk path resize size MB when the disk is a native. VDI, this changes the virtual disk capacity only. If you have a VMDK, convert it to VDI with clonade or modify MDM format VDI, resize, and then convert back if your setup needs VMDK. You do these steps because only compatible formats accept online resizing reliably, and conversion preserves data layout. Once the virtual disk is larger, you must expand the guest partition and file system, otherwise the OS will still see the old size. Boot the VM from a G-parted ISO or the OS installer and resize the partition to fill the new space, then run file system tools like Resize 2FS or Windows Disk Management to grow the file system. Make sure to confirm bootloaders and UUIDs remain correct. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup image or original disk. That single troubleshooting tip usually saves recovery time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.